Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord uThando Nesthembu. Now last woman standing, Umayeni Mseleko. Umayeni then also decided to go to no, it's nami ngikhulume, right? But can we also be truthful ukuthi Umayeni is also hurting, Umayeni is also in pain, and what I like about Umayeni is that she made it clear ukuthi angikho right, you know. She made it clear ukuthi I'm undergoing counseling and for work reasons and whatever, but ngumuntu nami nje I'm not okay, right? But on the same breath, I would like to say ukuthi girl could have put izinto lezi kangconywana, like how she addressed the other people from abantu bakaduma. I was like yo like yes, she stood her ground, yes, she raised valid points, yes, she did all that, but somehow there was a condescending underlined disrespect, which I feel ukuthi ebantwini man mele sifihle ezinye izinto nje, mele sifihle amanye amahlazo, you know, other people must not know other things. However, ugo felt ukuthi no, she's just going to say whatever that she needed to say. But what she said that was super powerful is that you guys are enabling this behavior. This behavior yakamseleko ukuthi ayenze izinto noma kanjani. Yes, we have heard about wife number 5. However, number 5 is not fully a wife yet, and that is why besingamfuni emaqegeni kaGok Flow. Ne? But now also, I like the fact that she said ukuthi njengoba senim-enabler manihamba nina lo muntu yosala nathi. Lo muntu umele asale nathi, anakekele yithi, aphiphe yithi. Magana ma emotions or whatever is not going well in his life, it's us. So you guys are gonna come here nisikabanise silwe thina. Nina niseko wena ubusy nomfazi wakho le, all is hunky-dory, all is well. But thina la sizosala singekho right, sizosala mini chaos, mini disruption. So nje that's what that was the last woman standing, Osugumile, after Uma Khumalo had said, I will be the first woman to stand up. If I am hated, let me be hated. Then Uma Ngwabe also stood up, Arlena Kelame Leo. Then Umayeni wa feel ukuthi nami eating shaye is speaker. Kubonakala ukuthi it's not only these two. I am part of this thing of Umakwela not coming to this particular ceremony because, excuse me, this ceremony was Thanksgiving yempilo kaMusa Mseleko. But here's the question. Knowing ukuthi Umakwela is number 5, what makes the woman feel ukuthi she should not be part of the Thanksgiving of her future husband's life? That's a question that I have to ask. Nina Pendula. While you're answering, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.